How to check battery health in your laptop or PC. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, go to your start menu, search for command prompt, then run it as administrator, select yes. Now you will have to type this simple command, that is power cfg space slash battery report, and then hit enter. And as you can see, your battery report file is now saved in your file explorer, that is in C disk in Windows System 32 and battery report.html. You will have to simply open this HTML file, and then it will show you all the battery health conditions of your laptop or PC. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.